Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is, a jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 upon 3. Find the number of blue marbles in the jar. So guys, let us see how we can solve this question. Now, as per the question, a jar contains, as per the question, a jar, let's say this is the jar which contains some number of blue marbles and some number of green marbles. So guys, this is a jar and this is what it contains, some number of blue marbles and some green marbles. That is being given in the question. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. So total number of marbles here in this jar is total number of marbles in the jar is equal to 24. This is being given in the question. Is equal to 24. This is being given in the question. If a marble is drawn, now a jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. So we do not know the number of green marbles and we do not know the number of blue marbles. So some marbles are here in this jar, marbles or balls or whatever it may be, something is here in this jar. So blue marble, we do not know, let it be, we do not know blue marble, let it be X, and we do not know green marbles, let it be Y. So these are the things going to be the number of favorable outcomes in case of blue marbles, favorable outcomes, and this is going to be the number of favorable outcomes. Y is going to be the number of favorable outcomes for the case of green marbles, favorable outcomes. Now guys, looking at the question is telling us if a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is a green is 2 upon 3. Now guys, let us first of all find out the probability of a green marble, and let us find out the probability of a green marble, because as per the question something is given about green marble, so we are going to find out the probability of green marble first. So guys, we very well know that probability of an event is given by number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now here probability of green marbles is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Here it is Y, because we have considered the number of favorable outcomes or green marbles is Y, because we do not know the number, upon total number of outcomes. So this total number of marbles in the jar is equal to 24. This is nothing but the total number of outcomes. This is the total number of outcomes. So probability of getting a green marble is equal to Y upon 24. This is what we got from our regular formula or whatever it may be. We applied our regular formula, that is probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Using that formula we got Y upon 24. Now as per the question is saying that if a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2 upon 3. Now the question is telling something different. The question is telling that probability of green marble, this is as per the question, the probability of the green marble that can be drawn is equal to 2 upon 3. This is being given, and let me now name this one as equation number 2. So guys, you could see that probability of green marble we got Y upon 24, and the probability of green marble as per the question it is 2 upon 3. So I can write therefore equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2 Why? Because we got the probability for green marble, same probability of green marble in equation number 1 and same probability for green marble in equation number 2. So for that reason equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2. So as a result I can write this one as Y upon 24 is equal to 2 upon 3. This is what we got. Now let us solve this equation. Now if we solve this equation I can write 3y 3y is equal to 2 into 24, just cross multiplying, or 3y is equal to 48, or y is equal to 48 upon 3, or y is equal to 48 upon 3, or I can write y is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. So what we got, guys? We got y is equal to 16. And if you remember what we did, we considered y. If you remember, we considered y to be our green marbles, number of green marbles in the jar. This is what we considered, and we considered x to be the number of blue marbles. And we are going to find the number of blue balls in the jar, or blue marbles in the jar. Now we are going to find out the value for x. So y is equal to 16. That means y is equal to 16. Therefore, number of green marbles is equal to 16. This is what we got. Now, guys, coming to the number of blue marbles that we are going to find out. As per the question, blue marbles plus green marbles is equal to 24. Why? Because the total number of marbles in the jar is equal to 24. For that reason, blue marbles plus green marbles is equal to 24. And if you remember, initially we considered x to be the blue marbles and y to be the green marbles. And now we got the value for y, which is 6. So I can write this equation as x plus 6 is equal to 20. Sorry, we got the number of green marbles as 16. So now I can write x plus 16 is equal to 24. Or I can write x is equal to 24 minus 16. Or I can write x is equal to 8. Guys, this is our answer. So what is being asked? Find the number of blue marbles in the jar. So we can conclude our answer saying that the number of blue marbles in the jar is 8. Hope, guys, this question's answer is very clear to us. But still, if you have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely, I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.